Multi Tool 3D Printer. ZMorph VX is the most versatile and the most practical multi-tool 3D printer that you can put on a desk. ZMorph is designed to be your workhorse, versatile object-making machine and the problem solver. It's like having a mini factory, right on your desktop. VX Full Set Model. This full set version of the ZMorph comes with the 1.75mm plastic extruder toolhead, the dual material extruder toolhead with 2" mixer hotend for 3D printing, the CNC PRO toolhead for CNC routing and cutting, the laser PRO toolhead for laser engraving and cutting, and the thick paste extruder for use with chocolate, frosting, ceramics, and more. User-friendly features. ZMorph VX has an intuitive color LCD touchscreen interface, and its auto-calibration feature makes for easy setup, without any complicated leveling procedure. Switching toolheads and worktables is simple, so transforming the ZMorph from a 3D printer to a CNC router or laser engraver takes about a minute.